guys, welcome to my channel. So today I think I am going to do an open cup. I just cut this bottom off of this and we're going to use it. I had some colors, some custom colors I just had already mixed up. We're going to go with that. I put this paint down. I flooded the canvas here with something that I had already, and it's called, it is from Art, and it's called Night Sky, but it looks like I added something sparkly to it, unless it's like that. I have no idea, but it was the right consistency, I think, and so we're going to roll with it. I'm just going to play some music, and I'm going to put the cup here, and we will see if we can't get it to move.
You have a way, it is hard to get behind those blue eyes. Are you serious? I need to know. I try to stay, I have tried to go, but either way, you're always in control. I need to know if you're just playing. I've been weighing if you're worth my time, or am I fooling myself? You set the bar, you build it up. You start a game that needs devotion. You start the fire that burns me up. Now I need you, yeah, I need your you call me up, mess with my head, but I don't need more problems. When you insist, I can't resist. You start me up. Look in your eyes, you're always in control. I need to know if you're just playing. I've been weighing if you're worth my time, or am I fooling myself? You set the bar, you build it up. You start a game that needs devotion. You start the fire that burns me up. Now I need you, yeah, I need your
trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say
let's make a hit and run till we fall apart.
wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make it hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. Do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make it hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. We'll be going all night. Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la. Sing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like.
Alright guys, I am just going to pick this up and find something to set it on, wipe off the bottom. You know, you always got to wipe the drips off, otherwise it'll keep pulling your paint off and you're not going to like the end result. so it will just destroy your day. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of cool. I don't always like these kind of pours, but lately I've been really kind of leaning towards them, just having some fun with it. You know, I've always liked the flip cups, but the open pours and, you know, open cups, stuff like that, haven't really had that much great luck with, but I really like this one. Alright guys, I am just going to finish wiping this off, and it might be torching some, well, right there I'm just touching up the sides that where it didn't cover it all, and just checking it to see if there's any more goobers, and and I'm probably just going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. You know I love you guys and appreciate all of you who have done that already. I think she turned out really cool. I don't know how it's going to dry. There is quite a bit of paint on it, but I do have a lot of Floetrol in it, so I'm hoping maybe it'll be okay. We shall see. We'll find out, won't we? But alright guys, that's it for me. Have a great day or a great night wherever you guys are, and I will just see you guys on the next one. Bye guys, love ya.